Welcome to Market Mover Trading. Let's discuss income. Maybe this describes your family situation. More than 75% of Americans today are living paycheck to paycheck. If they lost their jobs, they couldn't survive more than 3 months on the money they have in savings. Bankruptcies and foreclosures are on the rise. In fact, among the senior population, almost half of retired Americans are considering the possibility of going back to work. Other people who are working longer hours for the same or less pay, and even though they might need more income, they just don't have the time to go out and get a second job. According to the Wall Street Journal, economists say that of the 8.4 million jobs lost since the recession began, about 25% of those jobs won't be coming back. More than 2 million jobs gone forever. Many people believe that just a little extra income would make a big difference, but how can you increase your income in today's economy? Well, stock market, buy and hold investing. The stock market is down over the last 10 years. What about real estate? Both residential and commercial real estate, again, they're down over the past few years. So it doesn't mean these markets won't come back. We hope they do, but we don't know when they'll come back. And if you're looking for more income today, these markets might not be the solution you're looking for. What about banks? Go to bankrate.com, look up CD rates. A 1-year CD in the United States today is paying less than 1.5%. A bank will require you to put on deposit more than $5,000 on average. At the end of a year, they'll give you a check for $76.88 on your deposited money. Again, if you're looking for income today, that is not a solution that's going to work for you. But you can learn a skill that can increase your income. You don't have to sell anything, and learning the skill can provide you with an opportunity to meet your financial goals. Consider this for a moment. Who makes more money? A well-paid athlete, someone famous like Tiger Woods, or someone who understands the markets? The people who make the most money in today's world are traders. People like John Paulson, James Simons, T. Boone Pickens, and the others. These are the top income earners in the world. These guys, traders, make more money in 1 year than an entire NBA team combined. And Market Mover Trading has put together a unique trading style that's not taught anywhere else. You can begin trading in just minutes a day, and you can learn how to become a proficient trader within just a few weeks. Market Mover Trading is for beginners as well as advanced traders. Market Mover Trading provides the education and the information needed for you to learn how to succeed. Take just minutes per trade, commit just a few hours a week to your trading, because the goal of Market Mover Trading is to put a trader in every home. Now, if you're ready to learn, let's talk about buying and selling. With traditional investing, most people tell you have to buy low and sell high. At Market Mover Trading, we teach you that it doesn't matter, up or down, we just want movement. For example, every day, the market is moving up and down all day long. We teach our traders proven ways to effectively capture movement. And we don't care if the movement's up or down, we just want to capitalize on that movement. For us, the price movement is based on announcements. Now, what are announcements? Announcements are economic news that affects the market. These announcements take place nearly every day. They're on scheduled dates and times, and they have either a high, a medium, or a low impact on market movement. For example, unemployment news. It moves the market. Housing starts, consumer confidence, gross domestic product, GDP. These are announcements that move the market. And at Market Mover Trading, we teach you how to use those announcements to trade profitably. Now, if an announcement comes in better than expected, typically the market is going to move up. But if an announcement comes in worse than expected, well, the market will move down. A high-impact announcement will move the market more than a low-impact announcement. Recently, unemployment news was released, and in 1 minute, we had a very sharp move in the market. You'll notice before and after, not a lot of movement. But during that time the announcement is released, we see movement. Most traders are taught not to trade during a news announcement. We teach our traders to trade effectively during news announcements. And that's what sets Market Mover Trading apart from most other methods you might be introduced to. So how do you capitalize on all this? Market Mover Trading was created. It was a desire to teach students how to trade successfully as quickly as possible. And rather than learning how to day trade, having tens of thousands of dollars in an account, spending all day long looking at charts and graphs and indicators and using different tools, you can trade just 5 to 8 times a week and take just minutes per trade. At Market Mover Trading, we offer the education and the information that will help you become an effective and profitable trader. We have Market Mover Trading University, a password-protected website that has all the information that our traders use to help them learn what to do in the markets. We have trade recaps. Every announcement is videotaped, recorded, and archived at the Market Mover Trading University. Our instructors add commentary to walk you through the philosophy and teach you what to do. Our news server gives you the news as it breaks. The news is delivered to your desktop via the internet in a usable form to help you determine which direction the market's going to go and why. We offer live and archived online classes. So if you can't attend a class live, log into the archive. You can access the archive classes anytime, night or day. The announcement calendar and the forecast will tell you which announcements to trade, when those announcements will be made, and the forecast tells you approximately how far the market is expected to move based on that announcement. And we also offer prediction points. Prediction points give you clear and easy to understand indications of where the market will go and the price levels at which the market will have a high probability of reacting. Best of all, you receive these prediction points before the announcements come out and before the market moves. In addition, when you join Market Mover Trading, you have the opportunity to utilize years of trading experience. First-hand knowledge from our founders, Jason Anderson and Sean Larsgaard. You join a community of traders who come together to share successes and strategize for future trades. And we provide step-by-step guidance to get you from wherever you are right now to becoming a competent trader, and you can learn to do this in just a matter of weeks. Let's go back and look at the unemployment announcement that we talked about a moment ago. The unemployment numbers were released at 7:30 Central Time on February 11th. Within a minute, we had more than 3 points of movement in the market. Now, here's how we learn to do this. First of all, we're not trading the stock market. We're going to trade in the futures market. We trade a contract called the S&P 500 E-mini. To trade this, you've got to have $500 in your account. Not $50,000, not $100,000. You have to have $500 to trade. Now, we're broker neutral, but we'll walk you through finding a good broker, opening that account, and funding that account. With $500 in that account, you can trade one contract. Now, each contract is worth $50 per point of movement. 1 point up is $50 up, 1 point down is $50 down. Now, each contract is $50 per point, so 10 contracts is $500 per point. Here's the question. Can you learn to make a point or two each day with your trading and Market Mover Trading? Now, if you can learn to be successful, here's how we make money. If we're trading 10 contracts, 1/4 of a point would be $125. A half a point, $250. 3/4 of a point would be $375. 1 point is $500, and so on and so forth. So you set your goal, you determine how many trades you'd like to participate in each week, and then you stick to your game plan. Now, how does this work in the real world? Well, as you saw in the previous video, trading 10 contracts, you can learn to trade in just a few minutes a day. In this example, we had a profit of $702 in just 21 seconds. Now, will this happen for you every single time? Of course not. The number of contracts you trade and the frequency that you trade will all have an effect on the profits that you should expect to take from the market. In order to do this properly, you're going to have a couple of $1,000s for training and education. You're going to have money to fund your brokerage account, and you fund that account with whatever amount you feel comfortable, depending upon the goals you have and the number of contracts you'd like to trade. And then you're going to have a commitment. You need to have a commitment so that you can learn how to do this and do this the right way. If you learn this skill, it's a skill that you can take with you for the rest of your life to learn how to take income out of the market anytime you'd like. Now, where else can you go where you can learn how to make $700, perhaps even more, in a matter of seconds in the morning before you even go to work? Once you're enrolled, you'll receive a welcome email. Detailed instructions tell you how to get started. You'll go online to the Market Mover Trading University website and go through the course, the instructional materials, and get your questions answered. Attend class each Friday morning, and if you can't attend class live, access the archived classes at the website. Then you begin practicing. You put to work the education and the information you receive from Market Mover Trading to learn how to do this the right way. So we make money by simply learning how to trade the news announcements properly. So your next steps, get together with us to answer your questions. Enroll as a student with Market Mover Trading and get started trading. Welcome to Market Mover Trading.